everybody, and this is going to be an overview of a vintage camera. See this? That's right, Sony Handycam CCD-TRV99. And yes, I'm filming with the Sony HDR-CX405. This is a nice camera. Let's fire this thing up. Here's the lens. It's got the color viewfinder. Look through there. Don't know how well you can see into the viewfinder. And it's also got the LCD screen, which I never use because I prefer to film through the viewfinder. The tape does also eject. This is the tape I'm currently using to film elevator videos. Let's put this back in. This is my social teacher's old camera. Yes, I'm recording the Sony HDR-CX405, which is my newer Handycam. It does feature playback. Let's rewind the tape a little bit. This is some sample footage I've recorded on this camera. All my full videos will go live later in the spring. Before I end the video, this camera features night shot. See this? It's got the night shot feature. So that concludes my overview of the vintage Sony Handycam, the CCD-TRV99. Hope you enjoyed it. That'll be it, and thanks for watching.